Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, we are on a 2023 Ford F250. This is the P code center cut key, whatever you want to call that. It's HU198 leashy. We're doing this with FDRS. I'm not 100% sure about which key it is. There's two options for this truck. So before I start cutting blades, Ford's reusable. I'm just gonna program them in like this to make sure I have the right key and save me having to knock pins out and switch blades. FDRS is just going through its thing here. I just signed in, read the VIN, and then hit go. What am I missing here? Oh, I need better internet. I gotta move my van. I'm on a Starlink and I'm under a tree. I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. It takes a little bit, especially with bad internet, for FDRS to read the car, read all the modules it needs to. We're gonna go to Toolbox, come over here to the search bar, type in PATS, Passive Anti-Theft, that Anti-Theft System. We're going to download that. We're going to run it. Got to sign into Nastif here. I'm not going to show you that. Hold please. Alright, entered the LCID and the API token thingy, reading car, count the keys just for fun, 2023, it's going to be 2, maybe. It is 2. Alright, we're going to go to program keys. Insert the key to be programmed. So I'm just going to do it like this. Hold it with my other hand. I think we're going to have to do a 10-minute wait here. And then, because I don't have a working key. Yeah, timed access. Yeah. So, I don't actually have to hold that. We're going to flip it again when the timer goes off. So I'm going to set a timer. And be back. Alright, my 10 minutes just about up. I got the 2 horn honks even though it was not in alarm mode. Animation off. Okay. What? Never seen that one before. It has not been possible for the diagnostic tester to get security access to the immobilizer. Huh. That's a new one. What? I will be back. Okay, I don't know what that message was, but I just hit program keys again and it skipped all the wait because it was very clearly around the security because I got the horn honks. Took the key, turn that off. 3 keys. So yeah, that's why I did this. I do not have remote function. It looked like it had remote start, so I grabbed the remote start key. I saw a harness, but due to the way everything is under the hood there, I couldn't tell if it was going to something else or into the latch telling me I have remote start. So I was either do not have remote start, or this key has a dead battery, which is a lot more effective if you test the signal output of your key before you program it. But let's see here. Aha! Dead battery. We're going to change the battery in this key. And then I bet the key works. Come on. Old man glasses. Come on, just come out. There it goes. Right tool for the job, man. Come on. Handy dandy little popper device thingy. There we go. Pop the board out. It's just a little panel you gotta pop off the back. One of these things are great. I don't know where we get these, but they come in big packs. I have them everywhere. Different sizes on these. They're great for panels in the car. They're good for this stuff. Get me a battery, see if that works. We're gonna pop another key in there, program it. As long as this one is the correct one, which I'm pretty sure it is. That really looked like that harness was going to the hood latch. Let's go see. Still wrong. Wow. Okay. Wrong key. Did not expect that. So that's why I did it the way I did. I just cut the test key. I got 3 codes out of this thing, and naturally it was the third one. So that's why I did this way, to keep me from cutting all these blades up and being wrong. Just do it like that. Programs the key. Obviously this is reusable. We're going to throw this back in there. I'm going to go grab the right key and get those programmed in. I'll be back. Alright, got this figured out. This truck does have remote start. That harness is definitely going to the latch. There are 2 different keys for this car by FCC ID. There's the TDA and the BLP. The BLP is generally for the newer ones, but the TDA covers, I believe it was 17 to 23. This starts 23 and up. Took a shot. I was wrong. But that is why, once again, we are thankful Ford keys are reusable. So we're going to go program key. Insert the key. Turn the ignition switch on. I'm going to hold it up to my vice grips with my test key, hit OK. This should go right through that because we're, oh, why? There we go. Okay, it's going right through because we're already in. We're going to get the lock cycle in a second here. It's going to go to programming key next. Turn ignition off. Okay. Here we go again with that. So I'm just going to go through this again, just like I did last time. Program key, select. Insert key, ignition is on. Alright, there we go. Now we should be good. I don't know why it's doing that. That's new. I've never seen that before. Bing, bing. Lock, lock. Turn ignition off. Okay, now we have 4 keys. And we have remote function. Alright, so this guy is getting 2 keys, so I'm going to throw one more in here. See if we get that error message again. I can do without that. Oh no, we're not doing that. sir. Nope. Disarm the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and start it with that working key just for good measure. All right. Go to, it's gonna do it again. Nope, there we go. Clock. Off. Okay, let's start with this one. Remote works. We are good to go. Well, obviously I have to cut these, but I already have the code. They're programmed. Cut them. Done.